ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na.
The last day of eliminations dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. And we have an 8-game schedule for today. Sisimulan natin yan in the under 14 division as Region 2 Humble Ballers takes on Laguna Coach JX Batang Kalye. Itong Laguna winning in an impressive game yesterday, and ang bida sa palabas ay itong si Boy Mendoza, who really wowed everyone, showed us yung kanyang skill, showed us yung kanyang courageous drives, and yung dating, iba yung dating. Every time he has the ball, it's like everyone really waiting for him to, do his stuff. Meanwhile, for Humble Ballers, I believe they played on the AM session as that basket goes in. Making that count is Dionisio para dito sa Laguna Coach J X Batang Kalye. Bernard will miss yung una. He hit that big three-pointer yesterday to really push and seal the deal para dito sa Laguna. Again, it was a back and forth contest na ikinaharap natin kahapon, and really, for me, one of the games of the day in terms of the audience, in terms of how these players play, and so, syempre, sa mga highlights na nakita natin ginawa nitong mga players na to. Again, we have an 8-game schedule for today. Dalawang or make it tatlong under 14. We have under 18, under 21 as well. Isang under 16 lamang tayo today. But that doesn't mean that those kids, those under 16 players won't do their part into this game. Papakita din nila kung ano ang kaya nilang gawin. But so far, a 7-2, or I should say a 4-2 start by Region 2 Humble Ballers. Guys wearing black ay itong mga taga Region 2. Itong mga taga Laguna wearing white and orange, and that 3 signals our first conversion of the contest. Dionisio, he can shoot it from the outside, but that time it was a putback. That went in. Goes for that drive, one-hand floater. Didn't go in for Charles Tibunsay. Still a 3-point lead para dito sa Region 2. Here's Boy Mendoza. Thought another razzle-dazzle move. Yun nga lang, yung pasa was not anticipated by his teammates. 7-4 is the score, and a steal, a turnover, a glide, a make. Kobe Genido had a good game yesterday. Again, on that lineup wherein si Boy Mendoza lang yung smallest man on the court, and then the rest for this Laguna squad magkaka-height. That is really a matchup waiting for us to see. A quick release on that floater is Aldrich Raba, making it count. Again, don't let Mendoza take over the game. So far, he has missed one. He has made a turnover on the other. Raba with a fake. Raba with a move, erased. Just cannot score against the long arms of the law. Jairus Panganiban able to send that ball away. Mapupunta ang bola dito sa Region 2. Which is sa Laguna. Region 2 will play defense. Drop of Panganiban. He scores that 2-pointer. Talking about Jairus of Panganiban. 4 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Almost a travel. There is your traveling call. Tibunsay was caught grooving to the wrong beat. Nine to 8. Mendoza straight away. Couldn't hit that three. Isa pa kay Dionisio. Sends it in the corner. Carrying that friendly roll. Meanwhile, on the other side, 11 to 9. Region 2 after taking the lead early. Matatawagan sila ng offensive foul as Kerwin Brent Calderon called for that offensive foul. (11 to 9) is our score. Will look to attack the basket here as they go for the steal. 1-2 step layup is good. Russell Beronia able to get that layup to go. Isa pa on that handoff. Here we go. The Boy Mendoza show starting to take effect. Making that razzle dazzle. Just couldn't convert on that layup. Brent Calderon will be at the line. (11 all is our score here. After getting the lead majority of the way, here comes Boy Mendoza. What a find! That was as tight as you can get on that pass. Mendoza able to find a way to deliver it to his teammate. 1:45 remaining. One dribble. Didn't go in. Here's Beronia. Erased by Sinconige. Big man just entered into this ball game. Talking about JC Sinconige. Mendoza again. Here is JC on the rebound. Couldn't find the right angle. But again, Mendoza starting to be felt here. I called him the show yesterday for a reason. Pero itong kaampi niya, JC Sinconige, misfires on that free throw. Missing on both. Lamang pa rin ang Laguna dito. Having a 3-point lead. Or 2-point lead, I should say. 13 to 11. Was able to find a way itong si Calderon. Ball is stripped. It is on the side of Laguna. Good hustle by Dionisio. Kobe Genido wants to take this matchup. Referees call a foul on that side. Boy Mendoza has made a good pass early. Yun nga lang yung kanyang unang attempt just hits the front iron. Knocks down the bonus. 14-11. Now this is your 3-point lead of the ball game. Looking to break this pressure defense. Calderon drives. Wants to drop it off. And a steal on the other side. Mendoza was too low. Here's Boy and one. Kitang-kita sa ating camera, direct shot di Bohol. Tuwan-tuwa every time Boy Mendoza receives and puts on a show. Kanina pa nagre-react yan si Derek. 1 out of 2 was Mendoza earlier. Make it 2 out of 3. Gets that bonus free throw to go. "24 seconds remaining." 6-point lead by Laguna. Coach JX Batangcalie. Humble Ballers having had a strong start, just couldn't contain. As with 15.1 seconds remaining, we will call our first timeout of the game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan.
17-11. Baptista enters the ball game with a 3-pointer as Jomari will cut this lead to 3. And what a way for him to enter our scoring column by knocking down that 3-point shot. 17-14, Laguna. Coach JX Batangcalie leading at the end of the first.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero
second quarter action. It was a back and forth opening quarter between Laguna and Region 2 dito sa ating Under 14 Battle of Champions final day of elimination round. JC Cinco Nike couldn't start things off with a basket right there. Laguna won their game yesterday. Itong Region 2 failing to secure a victory, just knows his way inside as a Boy Mendoza goes in for that drive. Calderon will start off this play para sa Region 2 Humboldt Ballers. Nice cut. Calderon jumper off to the right. There's two players for Region 2 fighting for that possession. Luckily for them, matatawagan ng foul ang Laguna, shooting 3 free throws. More importantly in this game, to inch closer itong si Calderon. Couldn't hit the first. Misses on the second. Third time is indeed the charm. 1 out of 3 from the free throw area. Could have cut it to 2. Mendoza just attacks, decides on the last second kung ano bang gagawin niya, and eventually he wants to score and he kisses it off the glass. Referees call a jump. Good effort on the side of Laguna. That was Luke De Guzman, or I should say that's EJ Alinsunurin, fighting for that possession earlier. Alinsunurin, balik kay Boy Mendoza. Couldn't sink that free throw line jumper. Seven minutes 30 remaining as Mendoza draws up another foul. Needing to be subbed out itong si Mendoza. And this is a chance for this Region 2 squad na makalapit. A missed 3-pointer para dito kay Aldrich Raba. Ang kapalit naman niya, Lyndon Hulip. Again, another good player para dito sa kampo ng Laguna. Galliano feeds the big inside, spins, misses on that shot. Goes for that 1-2 step, caught an arm during that block. May foul na itinawag. Knocks down the first free throw. Aljur Velasco. (22 to 15), make it 23 to 15 with 6 minutes 34 remaining here in the opening half of action. Completes the steal once again. A 3-on-2 break bitin yung layup attempt, looking to face off against this triple team. Meron ng foul on that call. So without Boy Mendoza, 8-point lead ang kalamangan ng Laguna as Raba will be called for traveling. Shoots it from the corner. A push will be called here on Charles Tibunsay. Lyndon Hulip, a player from the Perpetual Altas. Missing on that shot was Velasco. Again, Region 2 needs to take advantage of the fact wala si Mendoza. Sayang yung takeoff. Put back. Couldn't find the right spin. Ivan Dumakita will be on this free throw area. Makes that second free throw to count. 23-16. That is our score. Gets that one-hander to go. 25-16. 9-point lead. Veronia turned the ball away. Now a running start. Open lane for that deuce. 27-16. Not gonna make a big basket here. Looking to cut the lead. But a bit too aggressive. Tatawagan na naman ng foul itong si Charles Tibunsay. (27-16) pa rin ang ating score dito. 11-point lead. Velasco couldn't shoot that shot. And a foul is called once again on Region 2. Again, couldn't take advantage na wala si Mendoza inside. Meaning more rest for Boy Mendoza. And now at the line, gonna shoot his shot. Makes the first one. Second free throw is good. 3:35 remaining. 29-16. Beronio cannot find the angle. One foul on the side of Region 2 kanina. Ngayon sa Laguna naman, as we will have a free throw shooting contest with 3:22 remaining. Couldn't hit the first one is Troyan Domingo. Knocks down the second one. .12-point lead. Now goes to that spin. sabihin na natin assist yun. I will give that as an assist. Went for that spin. Napunta sa kanyang kakampi yung bola and just using the glass for safety. Once again, on that drive, a struggle for Region 2 converting in the second quarter. Looking to control his dribble and continue going all the way. Aljur Velasco gets that steal once again on the run. Lyndon Hulip scores his first two of the contest. 35-17, 18-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to.
35-17, 18-point advantage. Laguna up here by 18 points. Again missing and getting that ball again. Nice cross. Kiefer Santos has entered this ball game. Lyndon Hulip circles around, spins, floats. Santos, no good. Offensive rebound is in. Everyone just hyped up on that last play. Now the lead is 20. Those easy baskets not going in. At natawagan pa ng Traveling and Region 2. A minute 25 remaining here as that layup attempt was missed. Velasco once again will be at the line. Velasco couldn't score on the free throw. Knocks down the second one. 1 out of 2 for Velasco. 38-17. A minute 10 remaining in the second quarter of action. Nice pass by Baptista. Again, just couldn't convert. Ang daming open looks for Laguna. Kumbaga yung tutok, hindi makita pa. And habang hindi sila nakakascore, on the other side, it is Laguna Coach J ex Batang Kalye. Sila naman ang nagsusunod-sunod dito. (38-19). Santos misfires. Cola, kakapasok lang, wanting to force the issue on that last play. Referees didn't call a foul, but a turnover on the other side. Final 35 seconds remaining. Baptista and the Calderon looking to spark and ignite a run. Personally, for me, would love to see more touches from Baptista. Yesterday, medyo maganda-ganda ang pinakita ni Jomari Baptista. As they get 1 out of 2 again from the free throw area. Final 23 remaining here in the opening half. Still humahabol itong Region 2. 17 big points make it 14 after they knock down the 3. Calderon, that's his second 3-pointer of the ball game. Falling down, trapped, recovered. And that is the end of our opening half of basketball. 23-38 after that 3-pointer by Brent Calderon. Lamang pa rin of 14 ang Laguna Coach JX Batang Kalye.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
(38-24). A backcourt violation is called on Region 2 Humble Ballers. Laguna Coach JX Batang Kalye having a 14-point lead as we now begin our second half of action. JC Sinconique makes a move, couldn't convert on that post attempt. Calderon scored the last 3 points para dito sa Region 2, make it 5 after getting that roll. Calderon has scored the last 5, make it 6 points para dito sa Region 2. 1 3-point shot and now a 3-point play, and they get a stop. There you go. Waking up at the right time itong Region 2. Can they continue the run? Almost breaking for that one. Raba sends it. Jomari will turn the ball away. you can feel the intensity shifting now slowly on the side of Region 2 as they force another turnover. (38-27). They go for this action, looking to find the glass. I believe that will be Beronia for Region 2. Yeah, it's Beronia. So 3 points na ang nai-score ng Region 2. Make it 4 after Beronia secures the first one. Here's one player na pwedeng mag-init para dito sa Region 2. Talking about Russell Beronia. A 5-0 start para dito sa Region 2. Di pa nakakascore ang Laguna coach JX Batang Kalye dito sa ating second half of action. Couldn't secure that possession. And now looking to inch closer. Dahil itong Region 2, we're down big early. Now only down by 9. Raba wanting to circle his way in. And a foul on Raba after looking to swipe that ball away from JC Sinconique. Looking for their first basket. Itong Laguna. Mendoza sends it up. JC. Di mahanap yung board ni Sinconique. Now on the run. Calderon using the left hand. What a move by Brent Calderon. He has scored 7 of their 9. Finally, entering the scoring column ay itong Laguna. A 3 ball. That is off the mark. Mendoza. Nice look. Just an easy 2 points. Kobe Genido waiting for that pass. Mendoza made it happen. Calderon. Floater is good. He's having a good quarter. He has 7 points. Made that 3-point play and now a steal on the other side on the run. Raba. Beronia will finish. No choice but to give up that foul. Itong si Russell Beronia. Beronia and Calderon leading the charge. Down by 14 earlier. Now up or now down by only 7. We have a timeout call.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
.525 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Region 2 playing well only allowing 4 points so far para dito sa Laguna. They have scored 11 already. Kobe Genido scores the last basket. Make it 3 points for Kobe Genido. Isa pa for Kobe. 4 out of their 6 galing dito kay Genido, and a turnover. Mendoza now finding the angle. 7-point lead na lang kanina, up to 11 once again. Russell Beronia drops it off. Medyo bitin yung finish. Mendoza straight to the cup, plus the harm. .440 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. At nagising na, nakabawi na itong Laguna Coach JX Batangkalye. Only down by 7. Balik sa 14 ang kalamangan, make it a 7-0 run. Kobe Genido had 4. Dagdag mo pa yung mga puntos ni Mendoza that really helped them to rebuild this lead. Raba, nice pass in the middle. What a move by Calderon. He's just a player possessed in this third quarter, getting majority of their points, at least 9. But what a finish on the other side. Able to score, able to scoot in. Balik ang bola sa Laguna. Couldn't upirin. Passes it to no one. And still standing a 14-point lead. Nakita ko sa ating live stream, maraming sumusuporta sa Laguna Coach JX Batangkalye. They are looking for their second win. Nanalo sila kahapon on that wonderful showcase of talent. Region 2 on the other side will have the possession, and syempre gusto naman nilang magkaroon ng panalo habang bumibisita sila dito sa Las Piñas, wanting to include themselves here in the conversation for the next round. Bedonia, Calderon, nice pass, there you go. Everyone just closing in on Calderon. He's finding a teammate inside. 51-39. Muntik na makapasok. Ball is loose. Here is Mendoza. There you go, their version of their own. Still a 14-point lead. Nababa sa 7, balik sa 14. As 2 free throws will be shot here by Brent, or I should say by Russell Beronia. Again, Beronia and Calderon really doing their best here. Misses free throw number 1. Still a big of a lead here. 14 pa rin. Mendoza against 3 defenders. Nice pass. Just too strong on the finish. Balik dito kay Boy. Mendoza couldn't complete that shot. Will reset their offense. Bitin on that attempt. A lot of fouls here. Penalty situation for Laguna sa Region 2. One more foul and they will be over the limit. Will reset on that free throw. Madrid, believe scored earlier. Now he will miss his first free throw. Makes the second. (53-40) ang ating score as they look to add more. Madrid has no choice there, giving up that foul, wanting to swat that shot away. Sinks the first one. Misses on the free throw, gets on the putback. Final minute in this first game of 8 for today. Sends it, stepping on the line of the mark. Velasco secures it. (56-40) as they look to make some moves. Again, nice find. Mendoza always having a knack to find his teammates. 30 seconds to go. Now the largest lead of the game at 16. Woo! Calderon cooking in the third. Pero 14 pa rin ang kanilang hinahabol. Mendoza on the other side. Couldn't get that basket. Forward pass, saktong-sakto. Raba. And that will do it on that wild and crazy third quarter. Laguna Coach J, ex-Batang Calle, up by 12. We are into the fourth quarter.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
$44.57. Make it 44.58. This 14-point barrier hindi mawala-wala on the side of Region 2. Third quarter was their best chance. They started that quarter well. Yun nga lang, couldn't really take it off. Calderon has been one of the revelations in this game for Region 2. Dahil on this contest, he has been really carrying majority of the load. And just an easy 2. Again, 14 points pa rin. Let's see how will Laguna put this game away as the Smith's jumper didn't go in. Susubukan ulit. Calderon fakes that pass, sends it outside. A 3 by Raba. Charles couldn't get that basket on that rebound. Now pushing the pace. Lefty layup. Masyadong malakas. 3-pointer by Hulip. Gets his own miss. Lyndon Hulip. He has that shot. He can take it all the way. But able to rescue himself there. Calderon, nice find. Just looking for his big and for his teammate. Charles Tibunsay with a finish on the left side. Kobe Ganido knocks it down. 17-point lead. Looking to answer. No good for Calderon. Gets that rebound was Karamat. Ball almost going into our side. 65-48. Velasco had a good first half of action. Kobe Ganido with a wild cross. Just didn't get that basket to go. Charles will attack the basket. Makakakuha ng foul on the other side. $49-65. Balik ang bola sa kabilang panig as Laguna looking to finish this game off. Dahil itong Region 2 patuloy pa rin sumusubok to cut into this lead. Again, if you want to finish this game off, you need to make smarter plays. 16-point lead. Calderon, too much space for him. Nice closeout. A steal, a runaway. Kobe missing on that layup. Bitin yung layup attempt ni Kobe. Nice pass, three-man weave from the inbound. Still a 14-point lead. At tatawagan ng foul as I believe this is Kiefer Santos entering the free throw area. (68-51) after the three-pointer. Ball is now back and momentum is on the side of Laguna as we are in 5 minutes 40 to go. Nice steal. Here's Baptista. Floater is in. (68-53). Wild attack didn't go in. With 5:20 to go. Three-pointer. Give and getting that friendly roll. Kiefer Santos making that three-pointer from the corner. Double team, triple team. Goes on the hand of Charles. What a behind the back dribble. He just realized that one on the move itself. Santos again. 73-55. On the run, attack is in. Russell Beronia starting off this quarter strong. Just like how he helped itong si Calderon on that third. Yun nga lang, with 4 minutes 15, medyo nanganganib na sila dito. Still a 16-point lead. Calderon gives it to Beronia. Russell. Sabi ng ating referees, merong tulak. (73-57). Looking for that quick play on the baseline. Sabi ng ating referees, who is manning the baseline, the ball will go sa kampo ng Laguna coach JX Batangcalye. Looking for this impending win, itong Laguna, as they go for a spin. That shot, it drops. Lyndon Hulip is a walking bucket, can really score, and it's a nice combination. Him and Mendoza on the other side. Boyi hangs and scores. Small in stature, but really knows how to use that basketball well. Beronia on the other side just won't quit. 2 minutes 43 remaining. As Russell Beronia looking to score here. A miss on the free throw. De Guzman hands it off to Mendoza. Nakawala on that layup. Making sure he will contribute on the offensive end. Open three. Had a good look was Baptista. Naka-shoot na siya ng 3 points kanina. And looking to continue yung kanyang shooting from the outside. And just like that, a 20-point lead. 79-59. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
18-point lead. A minute 40 to go. Itong Region 2 just looking to score their way in. Behind his back, fakes. Nice rejection. Waits for that flyby to happen. Mendoza able to score here. Looking to make that 1-2 cross. 81-61. And just trapping the ball in. Then Region 2 had their chances in this ball game na makalapit dito sa ating laro. The third quarter was their best chance. Cut that one to 7 points. 42-35. And once naka-score na yung Laguna, it just went all the way. JC Sinconique will be at the line here, will miss on the free throw. It's still an 18-point lead. Mendoza with a drop-off. Masyadong malalim. JC will score. .20-point lead as JC Sinconique getting some cheers. Raba secures those free throws. Still a 19-point lead. Double pumps. Shoots at 3 still. Not giving up. Russell Peronia tears the ball away. Raba for two. Still this 14-point barrier. And a steal on the other side. 12 na lang. But maybe it is just too much time trailing for so long. As another steal is made, Charles has just a breakaway. Another layup. And it was a good fight on the side of Region 2 as Baptista missing on that shot. Region 2 falls down. Laguna coach JX Batangcalie making it work. 85-73, one game down, 7 to go. Magbabalik po kami. Again, your final score, Laguna coach J Batangex 85, Region 2 Humble Ballers 73.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba